unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To make a simple ID card, start by selecting a free online ID card template or use a design software you're comfortable with. Enter the necessary personal details, such as name, position, and contact information. Incorporate a professional photo and ensure the text's legibility by choosing a clear, readable font. Add your organization's logo for a more official look. Once designed, print the ID card on high-quality cardstock or a synthetic paper suitable for ID cards. For durability, consider laminating the card. This process provides an easy-to-create, cost-effective, and professional-looking ID card.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.